making this very humbled beef ginger meatball, and it's super delicious with rice. It's basically a lot of ground up ginger into ground up beef and a lot of herbs and spices and seasoning, and we'll just cook it into like little patties and serve with rice. So if you guys love ginger, this recipe is for you guys. And if you guys don't like ginger, well, you guys can also make this recipe without ginger, but it tastes great with ginger. I'll show you guys how my mom made it and how she taught me, and so I'll be sharing with you guys. So I'm excited. Let's go cook. Some ground beef, some really good ground beef, and it's pretty lean. It doesn't have a lot of fat, so if you guys want, you can do more fat to lean or lean to fat, depends on you, but my mom likes to use the lean version of beef. So get some really good quality beef. So for the herbs, spices, and seasonings, we're gonna have some green onions, cilantro, I have some fresh ground up ginger, and some lime leaves that are minced up and diced, minced up into finer pieces. Seasoning wise, we're gonna have some garlic powder, some mushroom seasoning, some salt, and if you guys want it more spicy, chilies. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and add all your spices and your herbs. So I'm just gonna mix. So now we're gonna take about a small handful like this, and my mom says meatball, which is to form it into a ball. So you guys can make it as big and small as you want, but you just round it up like this. Yep. So I just finished forming into patties, and I made about 18 patties like this. But this is how they should look like. And you can cook this either baked, under broiled, or you can pan fry this on like an cast iron skillet, or you can grill them on over charcoal, whatever you guys like. So it's really up to you guys, but it's great over charcoal, it's great grilled, anyway you guys like to cook it. So let's go. Okay, so I have a rack over a baking sheet right now, over foil, and I'm gonna cook it on this rack. So the first batch, I'm just gonna broil these in the oven at 550, broiled, and I'll come check it after like 10 minutes and flip it if I need to. So it's been 10 minutes on the broil, and oh my god, and we're just gonna flip these. So I'll put it back in for another like 10 minutes, and we'll check after that. So these are the one that has been cooking in the oven, and they're pretty much ready. Took me about 20 minutes of cooking this in the oven, broil 550. But this is what they look like. Looks weird, huh? But gosh, it's tasty. So another way you guys can cook this is with this cast iron skillet, and here I have my grilling cast iron skillet. I'm heating it up right now, and yeah, we're just gonna cook it both sides until it's fully cooked, just like a hamburger patty. So yeah, you guys can actually make this into meatballs and put it in soups if you guys want to, but we're just gonna fry it up like this and just eat it with rice. Simple as that. So these are ready. I'm gonna take these out and place it into a plate, and we're just gonna continue cooking the rest. But look at these. They look delicious. This is the one that's in the cast iron skillet, and then this is the one in the oven. That liquid that comes on the bottom, that drips in the bottom here, save that. You can drizzle it over your rice. You can drizzle it back onto here like this, so it stays moist. And we can serve it. Okay, I'll show you guys how we eat it. Plate of rice. Do one of each. So some rice, and I put 2 meatballs on there, and then we also, I love it with, you guessed it, pickled greens. Wow. So this is pretty humbling eating wise. All you do is take a piece like this, just get some rice like that. You can also put chocolate on there if you guys want. Well, that's about it. In Hmong we will say "Can you do can abo? Come on you, come on you do can."